Okay, so I've installed the NVMe, as you can see here. So now that the NVMe is installed, and the next thing would be to check if the Jetson UEFI firmware version is greater than 36.0 or is less than. So what I will need to do first is to connect my monitor. That is my connect my monitor as this to my USB key and USB keyboard. Sorry. So and the USB keyboard to the device. So connect monitor first, right? So connect monitor, and to connect monitor, I'm going to be using this. So this is the display ports to HDMI, and let's uh, let's do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this down here. So display ports. So this is the, as you can see here, this is a part of the display port, which is this one. And let's see. Oh, sorry. This is the. What am I doing? Sorry. This is the HDMI. So this goes to the monitor instead. Okay. So display ports. Here we go. Look at it. This is how it looks. So this is the mouse. Right. So it's gonna go in this way. Right. In. Now. Do I leave this? Put this way? Yes. Then. Or do I put it this way? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this here. Then I'm gonna connect my HDMI, right? HDMI, and what is it? Move this one. HDMI to. Maybe I might put this down so you can see. HDMI to the back. You know what? I think there's two HDMI ports here. I shouldn't have removed that one. No, anyways. And okay, so that is in. The next thing is my keyboard. So I'm gonna connect this to one of these ports here. I'm just gonna put this down. Connect this to one of the ports here. Alright, so that is connected. And the next thing I'm gonna do is, now I'm gonna turn on. Oh, wait, sorry, I have to put this. For me to turn this on, I need to put this. So remove this thing. Then, right, so connect this here. Now, oh no. Okay, camera is fine. Now, I have to find where I'm going to put this. Okay, so I found a place to plug that, and now just to put this. I had to turn this the other way around because it was like this before, right? So I had to turn it the other way around because this thing for here is here. Okay, so I'm going to plug this now. If I plug it, I don't know if it's going to switch on immediately or I have to switch it on myself. So let's see. And so if I put this now, if it's going to switch on automatically, then my TV is going to go on. Not TV, I mean, my monitor is going to go on. Alright, so let's see. Alright. Okay, so there's a green light here. Does it mean to switched on? Oh, my keyboard has lit up. Brilliant. Then next thing they said we should repeatedly press escape. Right, so I'm pressing escape, right? But I don't know if, because my monitor is not coming on, so I don't know exactly what that means. What? I'm pressing escape. Nothing happened. Let me check out my HDMI. So I think my monitor is actually turned on, so I had to manually turn it on. So this one came up. I don't know what this is, but it says press escape in 5 seconds. Escape. I have been pressing escape, and I don't know what is going on. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, so remember they said that if the UEFI is we should check the UEFI. So that's what we're checking. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it properly. You see that the UEFI is version 2.70. So that's definitely less than 3.60. Then let's see. So what we have to now, what's it called? We have to do an update. So we have to do the QSPI update. Alright, so that's what we're going to do, and hopefully it works fine. So let's get into that.